Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be using my new ultrasonic cleaner from Amazon. This is the 10-liter model. I'm curious how much water this thing actually holds, so let's find out. I've added 3 liters, another 3 liters, and another 1.5 liters, which makes it 7.5 liters to the fill line. So yeah, probably really close to 10 liters. This is just a very standard 1/2-inch ball valve. To turn the unit on, the power switch is on the back side of the unit. You'll notice the lights are flickering or flashing or pulsing. It does not look like that in person. This is something called the strobe effect. And what that is your camera's FPS does not match the electrical frequency of the LEDs. Very common with video cameras. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to be cleaning my ABS unit today. So I put the ABS unit inside of a glass jar, and then that jar inside of the ultrasonic cleaner. Add water to the fill line, and then I'm going to add enough brake fluid to fully submerge the ABS unit. Alright, that was 30 minutes. Let's take a look. So it does look really good. I did not ultrasonic clean it because it was dirty or scaly on the outside. I cleaned it because I needed to get the inside in the valve areas. I wanted to loosen up and remove any sediment. I'm very curious. I want to strain the fluid and see how much sediment there is. I'm not sure what's more impressive, the ultrasonic cleaner or the fact that this very cheap jar from Walmart survived 30 minutes of punishment. I was expecting that thing to shatter. Alright guys, thanks for watching.